and me want to listen. Me I go do less talking. Me sorry, me just want to take off the super fan sub. I don't know if I do it. Me wish me can take it off. Because me want people to comment. Me want the hypocrite them come comment.
Yeah. Right.
So now when you go mute on me, but because I'm me I screen record, because I never get home for record.
Mm-hmm.
So as me say, when you go mute, that's me talking. But you know what me shall do? Me shall just edit it and take out everything. But me don't want to say me take out anything, so me want to listen. Me and this girl a talk till me go in my car, me drive, come home, me lie down on my bed, on my back.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Chevy as far as went to say, she think I did me, I try to mash up she and Drake's relationship. Because every time there's something, somebody come under a fake page and comment something, and she talk, me say no. Me and her even talk. And me and her talk, and me say to her, say, when Sky come and I say, plug in my phone, when Sky come and I say, me and Liar and Chevy, me, Liar and Jakes had a conversation, nothing no go so. I prove it to Chevy yesterday. Nothing no go so Sky. And me and Chevy a talk on the phone, say, there's an enemy in a Jake's camp, and me tell Jakes that there's an enemy around him. Because if you, Sky, can say, Liar, me, not me, come in over the panel phone, can call Jakes, and so somebody call you from around Jakes and tell you, say, Sassy, Liar, and Jakes upon phone. That is an enemy around Jakes. And Chevy acknowledge it. Guys, me sorry, so me can't take off a super fan. Anybody can take off a super fan. Help me take it off ya. Me want take it off. Me will want take it off.
I respect that.
As me say, because she attack and a screen record, me can't hear what me say.
But Sassy, no, but Sassy, this is what I'm telling you. Me and Jake have conversations. Jake say, want the series with me. Yeah, we are having a relationship, but he wanted to do the series with Miss Jakes. Bring the series to me at first, you know. When people feel like that me and Jakes meet each other, me and Jakes done already attack, you know.
No, Chevy, don't say that. Don't say you and Jakes been attacked, because you went and you inbox Minnie for Jake's number. She sent me the text. You want me to show the text that she forwarded to me this morning when you text her and say you want Jake's number since as we are coming receipt. Hold on there. Which one me there again? Hold on. Let me show you something. 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 That's the date when you asked Sexy Minnie for Jake's number. Alright, me could go back to the video. We only approve things here. Hold on. And me a talk. So when me a talk in mute, because I'm screen record, me a screen record.
No, because then we both decided that we didn't want to do the series because we actually developing feelings for each other now. That's why we stop match each other and these kind of things, because now even though we did run out, we are trying to take myself a drawback out. And I don't know why Jake isn't relaying these things to you. Yeah, and I said that I'm going to have a proper conversation with you and explain certain things, because you see me, really and truly, I don't care what people think about me, I don't care about people's perception, because nothing that I say to me, nothing I say will change your mind to now like me, because you're done already setting your mind. That's how I stay. Yeah. However, when it comes to character breakdown, where people are going to come for me and come for a character that they do not know, because knowing me and knowing of me is two different things. Yeah. Sassy, I'm not perfect and I have a past, just like many other people have a past. Yeah. But let me tell you something. You see that little boy of mine that is named Certain for sure. For myself, me now. It changed me into the woman that I am today. Yeah? I have a past. I've never sold my pussy. Yeah? I've always been a young girl that is determined to get anything that I need and want and want the best for myself, because although I was a spoiled child, the spoiling stopped when I started to rebel. So, when we used to could have got to my mother and say, and my mother say,
This is the kind of conversation we have. Wanna just listen up, man. It gonna get better. This is the conversation we had. So,
right?
So when Chevy called me, we had a civilized conversation. A civilized conversation. Chevy, you pick out of the conversation complete to Sky and on your life where you want to pick out. Me can't pick out everything for you in a Chevy. Me can't edit everything and cut out the look of blank and put everything and play, which me I gonna do one day for people hear what you were saying, and then you come and explain what you were saying. Don't mix me up, Chevy. I regret accepting your call. Remember, say you did call me already, but when Jake started with the video, you call me block you. Remember, say yes, you tell me to unblock you. Chevy, I regret answering my call to you. Chevy, me not like people. Anybody who know me can tell us that me not like people. Me not chat to people. Me not deal with people, Chevy. Me not deal with people. One thing me glad say, you can't come put a recording and tell nobody say me a chat Jakes. You can't come tell nobody say me dep on your live a chat Sky. You can't come tell nobody say me say anything bad about lawyer. You can't come tell nobody that I said nothing bad about nobody, Chevy. That's all I'm happy for. You can't do that, girl. Because I said nothing negative about nobody. When it comes to the lawyer people, because me want to not hear what me I say. But at the same time, me have so much things that me want to talk.
Which is normal.
Me have so much things that me want to talk. But don't go and listen. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
I can't say no to myself, so I always used to make sure that I'm in a position that me not.
She try to describe herself here, so you understand? All right.
You understand? Like I said, I've never sold my pussy. Even the Dubai stories that you're hearing, it's stories that people put out there to bring me down. Not no gossip. A lot of the stories that are out there about
me telling you say this is screen recording of 58 minutes long.
Owns my shit. Did I go
58 minutes long.
London's brother? Yes.
58 minutes long. You understand? So my time it never make no sense, but certain things me want play if you're not here. So when Chevy go on like say she good and she nice and she attack. Chevy, when you come on to the lawyer lady, Jakes must have a lawyer clear himself. Me want to talk, yes, sir. When Jakes lock up the deal, let me go to that. Jakes don't, yo, he call me phone and me not answer him because me want to talk. Me no want him tell me not up in my mouth. Me want to talk. Me have to clear myself. Me sorry, me can't answer your youth. Me want to clear myself. When it come to the lawyer lady, when Jakes lock up, going on my phone. When Jakes lock up, hold on there. May I try to find a message from the lady. October 7th. When Jakes lock up, the lady reached out to me and she said to me, say, Jakes tell her she get a message to get in touch with me. Let me see if I find a message. I swear. Hold on. Me don't know if a blood clot, man. You, me not answer you. Me not talk to you. Me not want to talk. Yo, the lady said Jakes tell her to call me. Me I clear myself out of this. I text my number and I gave it to the lady. When me up on live, me say the lady message me on my WhatsApp. Me still not pay no mind for me. I say, who this a message me? People start coming to my box because me didn't have on the automatic add guess. Me take it off. Then, and me take it off. The lady still come in my box and say, I need to talk to you. Me say, hello. She say, hello, Miss Sassy. I know you said you don't want anybody else in your box, but I got a message to give and it is important. I said, okay, give me 5 minutes. Me come off of my live. I'm going to take the message. And me go, she said, Jake said to call me. Jake is in jail. She give me the message. She said, he said, talk to you and you only. Me say, okay. Me say, when you want? She tell me, say, he's gonna need Ray a lawyer. He might go this, he might go that, he might go whatever, he might go whatever. You hear me tell her now? Right through the step of the way. Me reach out to lawyer. Lawyer say, how much money you need? Me tell lawyer what the woman tell me say. The lady gave me a figure. And me tell it to lawyer. I swear. Lawyer go up on her live and beg her people them the money. The lady says she now collect no money because she now put her integrity on the line. I sent the money to Jake's. Me come and me show everybody the money that I sent to Jake's. So me very transparent. Hold on there. Hold on there. Let me find here. Fuck. Give me a minute. I wanna go on. Alright. When lawyer give me the money, this is what I sent to Jamaica on a text screenshot. Right. That is what I sent. I gave a message and I tell Jakes, I said, give the lawyer lady 60,000 and take the rest. Me no owe a dollar. Lawyer up on the phone with me. Every cent we collect. Lawyer to how much you have, how much you reach, how much on Zelle, how much on Cash App, and the money went off. Me no know nothing. When me hear the lady voice, me said to my niece, say, boy, me no know, but the woman they sound like, remember the girl Peter Gay? It sound like Peter Gay. I swear. My niece laugh. But me continue go on and more it go in my head, but me just go on. The lady said what she gonna do? Yes, the receipt where Chevy have, and me give Chevy the receipt yesterday. Because Chevy said she took out a cease and desist for Rose against Jakes. Me don't know where that day. Because I don't know if Rose get it. I told her that the lady, the lawyer woman said she had jumped from cease and desist, guys, to a protective order. Me no know say this woman is fake. Me no know if she true, me no know if she fake. All me a tell lawyer is about the lawyer lady, the lawyer lady, the lawyer lady. We still a go on, go on. It was until Saturday. Me join lawyer on a call with the woman. And when she hear lawyer voice, she jump. Hold on there. She jump. And she says her service drop. You hear me say? I am a person, me multitask. Like if me a wash plate, me put in my earpiece. Don't think say me a go sit down and chat to you. Anytime you see me I do anything, me a wash and me a talk on my phone. If I even on my buzz on my phone, they saw and me a talk, I saw me stay. Me no put on things, me no time to sit down and gossip. Me all you put in my earphone. I try remember now, me no want to tell no lie. I think it was last week Friday, lady called me. I explained myself very well. She called me on a video call. She'd get her hair braid. When she done, me asked her, I said, so quick you done? She said, no, she have natural hair. Her hair naturally tall. Yeah, me say, guys, me not see the lady face all know. Me only know say me I talk to a lawyer for Jakes. And me call her and me I share certain things with her, certain things with her, certain things with her, certain things with her, where it bother me. Because people are questioning me and me I share certain things with the lady. Now I go disclose everything. Me now come if you throw nobody under the bus like Chevy. Chevy, a cocky feelings you carry no Chevy, yo. Chevy, you carry a piece of cocky feelings to the dude. You carry a piece of cocky feelings. You never give the man a chance to tell you whether I'm going to continue or not. You just carry a piece of fuck feeling for the man. You should even do that. What you think you do? You not hurt me. Jakes is as blind as I am when it comes to this woman, Chevy. He's as blind as I am. Me never yet, and that the man never yet call and say, Paula scam the internet for me. Him a doing footing, he asks, me come and me beg money. And give me. The Amazon wish list was created. He said I get an apartment. Jakes know about it. A Jakes email address did it? And a Jakes creating his own shipping address. So nothing at all upon that is coming to me. The email of a Jakes. And the shipping address go to Florida. Every shit where you see buy penny. And if you don't want to take back on the blood clot things, so take back on the things. Do a refund. One back on them things too. Anything at all I don't want to do at this point in time. I left it open so anybody want a refund, take back on the bumbo clot things and go on to. I mean, I play with them over here, so. Me not scam nobody. If me I go scam anybody right now for my broker self, I know for nobody. If me I go come out and scam nobody, people. And you see you blood clot, Amma, why you so hypocritical? Amma, why you so hypocritical as a man? Amma, me not like your style as a man, Amma. Me know you look like a clout, Amma, but why you so hypocritical, yo? Why you so hypocritical? I told me not like mix up in a Amma. Me now go talk out of my mouth. But you, that's why me black, you know, man. Me don't like a mix up chat, man. You see, if me go look at a man there with me, you can't chat. You better be quiet. Me not like no chat, boy. And you talk too much, Amma. Why you do it? You're two-sided too much, Amma, for your man. You cut two blood clots sideways, man. You sharpen back and front, youth. And you don't look good. Stop it, as a man. You look a cloth, but don't do that. Cut straight. You get what me I say? Anyhow, the saga continue with this lawyer girl. And I listen more and more, but it have come to me. You see when me make lawyer listener sat there? Lawyer say, Paula, you have a screen recording of that girl? Me say, no. You don't have any voice note? Me say, no, because a pure text the lady texts me. One at a time again, we do a call. I mean, add her to the call. And when she say lawyer, she jump. She no want to talk to lawyer. Me beg her go the hardware. Go get the ledger, the paper, for order the lumber. This is not fake. So anyone now know say a fake Chevy, you two blood clot like. This is not fake. The first boy when named Andre Wallace, we chop. Me don't know which party him come from. And him thief that the money there. Because him tell Jake say him a the manager. Him thief that the money and go on. And me beg her, and she said she'll go down there herself. When the girl went to the hardware and she did a video call. She said do a video call. All me see a half of the person's face. She hold the camera like so. Half her face me see. Me uncle know says a girl who have a complexion that look like Diamond complexion. And Diamond me not call her name in a bad way. So no go tell Diamond say me call her name. Because me know saying it's a drunk round or go do it. Me just compare the complexion. She not clear like me. And she have tall hair because she tell me says her hair. Her hair braid and she hold the phone so. So me only see half her face. And she turn the phone to the hardware people them. And me dep on the phone with her until when she speak to people and she get the correct number for the hardware so people can go upon it and purchase things for Jake. So me I come clear up. So when I go say Jake's come to scam the internet, oh no stop it. Don't do that. Don't fucking do that. I mean, I take up for him. Chevy, stop carry cocky feelings. Because you're the man in a something right now. You get what I say? I'm in a business with that. Because I'm not there with him, I'm in a wanting. And you know, I tell her that yesterday. When you talk, you have to talk. But what I would appreciate, Chevy, if you did this morning, is go upon the, you say your voice note, everything. My voice note don't say what me say. But it say everything what you say. And me can crop everything and put it together, write us up on the internet, make everybody see and play for Jamaica and the world blood clot area. Me not have to go behind you, me can cut out the local missing part them. So when you come and you say, Sassy said this, Sassy said that, I sent you the receipt. I sent you the receipt last night. The receipt where you displayed this, so, and me send you. And lawyer have a long time. That is why me like evidence. Me say lawyers, because lawyer keep asking me, where is the receipt? When shall I get this protection order? When this or that? When that or that? And I sent it to lawyer and said, see the lady send this to me. Lawyer said this not even look so good. But lawyer kept it. I saw me say I'm very transparent. Then? Alright. It go on and it go on, and we talk about the protective order and all of that. Me talk about the kids and me now go back in it with the kids and the money and everything. And the lawyer lady come to me. Not Jakes never know, said the woman come to me and tell me nothing about the kids. I don't have food, I don't have clothes, and is the lawyer lady told me. And when the lady say, she tell Yellow if you care back, you pick them a CD. I said, no, do it. We go click me live. She said she go spend her money. Sky, come here, listen me, Sky, listen. The woman said she go spend her money, Sky. Since as Mrs. Me say, yeah, bring me along for a man, and me over your page all time. And she wants it back. The woman take a picture. Our gas tank. And show me. See when she got the hardware there, these are the hardware paper, she got the hardware and she take it, give me. You man take a picture of her gas tank and see her gas tank is empty. You see the conversation? You see so we have a conversation? These are things that she said she buy for the kids. Sky, me not rob nobody, you see it? That a receipt where she said she buy for things and she want back her money. You know see the conversation them? You know see it? See one of the receipt there. You know see it? See it there? That a receipt where she take with and the pant where she buy for the little boy. That underpants she show me. So she buy for the kids, Sky. Nobody no scam the internet. You see the money I me pick up? This is what me send. And me send it to Jamaica. Every cent I me collect, see it there. You see it? Because the lady says she buy her stuff and she want back her money. You see it? See me do a breakdown of the amount of money I me collect because I saw me transparent, you know. Cause me not you see, me know say half of my head no good and make me a blood clot Madhouse production. I saw me stay. You see it? And that me sure say that me collect. Me send her and sure say me send the money. Me tell her say me send the money. That's what she say? Okay, thank you. You see it? I fear her money. She spend her money. Me give her back her money. Wanna not play with me, man. Don't play with me. You understand me? I saw me stay. When me and Chevy argue, she texts me and she said, why are you doing this, Paula? Come scream at me. You see it? Alright. Me no know who is this lady. Lawyer keep on and said to me, say, this lady sound like Peter Gay. Me say, lawyer, me no know. Me can't say a Peter Gay because she said, what are you talking about? I know Peter Gay. What are you talking about? Me no know. Me no say nothing to the lady say, lawyer say she's Peter Gay. Me I clear myself, you know. Me no want no one to tell me no talk and don't call me phone either. Me no there to scam nobody with nobody. Me no know no lady. She says she a Jake's lawyer and that me I work with. She says she am lawyer and that me I work with. Him not even know, said the lady said she want back her money. Him never know. So I guess when me send him money, not even know what it for. Because she said she want back her money. That's why me come here and beg the money. Because she tell me, say the little picking them now no underpants and shoes and the picking them go to school and then no food. And yellow say she a care back picking them go to CDA, guys. You see where me I come from? That's why me come here, so. No, in the recording, Chevy say, me might have did reach out to her. How me forgot reach out to you, Chevy, and me in a chat? Or Jakes, or somebody should have reached out to her. Chevy, me say you should just put on the roll of the recording, Chevy, and make it run, Chevy. Me not appreciate it if you did do that. But everybody can listen everything instead of you just pick sides out of it, Chevy. And pick things where me say for me look bad. You're not easy. That's why I not talk to people. Me have a time I just gossip on my phone and block every mama bumbo clot about there. So me say, so you say my mother take me block people for nothing at all. I saw me stay. When me go in there, when Chevy tell me say I must unblock her. Me said, Jesus Christ, as so much black people me block. Me couldn't believe there's so much people in my blacklist. Because I no ram for black people. Me tired of you, me no want chat to you, me block you. Me like talk to people who can influence me. Me like talk to people who can motivate me. Anybody who know me know that. Me like talk to people who can correct me. You can't correct me, me not like you. Me no want to talk to you. I me regret answering your call yesterday, girl. But you can't say me bring down Jakes. You can't say me bring down lawyer. You can't say me bring down nobody at all. Nobody me never bring down the conversation. Off my phone. I don't want to talk to nobody. You can't say me bring down nobody, Chevy. So me want you play it. Play it out. May I listen to you, a vent. May I listen to you. Anytime I reach a certain spot, whatever I have to say, I say. You say you don't trust the lawyer woman. Me say, Chevy, you know say lawyer no trust her either. Me say, you know one girl named Peter Gay on the net? You said no. She said, what about her? Me say, Peter Gay is a girl where did come out and say Jabba swear her. And Sky, Lawyer, Mother, and Rose did depend on the case. I think she got to Rose first and I saw me and tell Chevy. Chevy, play, make people hear, please. Play it. Because me can't play, you know, but anything when me say cut out. So when me say cut out, me no want it cut out. Me want it in the conversation, Chevy. Yes, motivational. She just call me for use it for blackmail me. But me never say nothing bad night, Chevy. I swear. Play it, girl. Play it. Don't just pick section. Play the whole of it. Because you see, let me tell you something, you know. Me can't edit this right just upon. Me can't edit this shit right just upon TikTok, you know, and cut out the local part them where me a talk. Where blank. I make the whole John blood clot public scene, you know. You see, like a part them when
there's reasons behind it. Yeah, a girl tell me say she gonna stab up me. I'm a pitney. I'm a go her yard, sassy, and deal with the matter. You understand? My head was hot, and like I said, my son has changed me. Certain things I've rested now, but guess what? At that time, it was a draw out. Me and the boy was linking. Me and the boy was, you know,
she talk about when she got to Dubai.
When it did come on social media, said the police. No, not even the police. That I was gonna be sentenced to a sentence. Yeah, where it. 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 So again, people are lying. Anything that I do, I can own up to the things that I have done. Yeah, half things that you hear on the media about me is bullshit. Yeah, because guess what? Every experience that I've had has made me into the person that I am today. And I don't regret none of the things that I've done.
All right.
And I saw it go sassy.
All right. All right. You hear that blank now? And me a talk. You hear that blank? And me a talk. Me want edit it on live for you no blood clots, you know, cause me know how uno turn, you know. Uno we go say me cut out my part. Hold on.
And I don't regret none of the things that I've done.
Alright, the last word I done. Alright.
And I saw it go sassy.
Me a talk this so.
Yeah? Now, back to the whole Jake's thing.
Alright. We're gonna delete that the part there. Alright, go on now.
Jake's thing. Like I said to you, I believe that Jakes has said something to you, and it clicked to me today, where maybe that's why you felt comfortable, because look what you just said to me. If you didn't know it was a series, maybe you could have hyped it up. So I believe that Jakes has been saying something to you, and whether that you may have got, wait, hold on, let me finish. You may have, even if he said something to you, he might not say it straight, because sometimes people ain't straight, and they leave us to assumption and have our own perspective or something, and we might run out because we're saying, guess what, we're defending that person. But I can tell you, I do for Jakes behind the scenes. Yeah, I don't come on. I did come on the live and show the stuff then that I got. Jakes was okay with that, and Jakes tell me to go up on live and do that. Yeah, it's him that told me to go on live and do it, and I said that I do. I was even hesitant to the live, and I'm showing the stuff and said I don't even want to hug. You know what? Fine, tell me and Jakes have a conversation. You see the recording, Sassy? Want to play a Sassy? Jake send me the recording, and Jake said the one about the gun and the something them. When Jake first sent me the voice note, he said, babe, here what you are going to do. Play it, but crap it. So you see the bit where she say, she know for a fact, in tell me, cut it from this, from where she had talked about, she had go set him up and Ray, and she had go tell the police that if you not come out of the house, say I've gone. And if you notice, if you listen back to the screen recording, them Sassy, it cuts. You don't hear the rest of the voice note. However, when I was on my live, people were.
You understand what I say? We had a conversation. So Chevy, just play the role of the record no man. Not take nothing out. Cause me have everything what you're saying now. So that is why me want you to play the recording so people can hear what I was saying. Because now me there so. Me there so just a play what you say because I screen recorded you. My voice can't hear. You can't hear my voice. But me can hear everything what Chevy says. So me want you to play everything Chevy. So everybody can hear. Because you make me look like this bad blood clot girl. Me never care on nobody. Nobody. And when you come on to the lawyer girl, I say you not trust her. Me say something. Me say girl lawyer not trust her. And you make me know say a 1-bedroom flat. Me never know. Because the girl tell me says a 2-bedroom flat up in her apartment. And you make me know says a 1-bedroom. So you say the man tell you. So when you go talk again and you go say that remember say me and you talk. And me and you talk about the recording. Where the phone call where Skya say me, Jakes and lie. And me tell you say I lie that. Lie. Me send you the duration of the call. When the man call me in my sleep and say, Paula, me see a screen record, boy, I'm really sorry, Ray. Me say, look here, I'm in bed. Me say the lady asleep. Whisper me and whisper for the woman, yes, clean like a woman, she 90 odd. Me say, me asleep. Lady asleep. Me say, Jakes, me not get no $800 for you. He said, stop, me know that already. He said, all right, tomorrow. And the man hang up. Me send it to Chevy. 1 minute and 28 seconds the man talk to me for Sky. So how you go say people call you? That is why me tell Jakes that there's an enemy named Caan. Jakes, you have enemies around you, me tell a long time. Because somebody called Sky in the night and could have tell that. And Chevy herself say yesterday say she and Jake talk about XYZ. And the next moment she say people on live are talk about it. Chevy, you not talk them the conversation, you know? You don't go make me look bad. You only make it look like somebody just come to you and tell you things. No, there was a conversation that led up to everything, Chevy. That's why I tell you, say, I don't like people. People call me and I ignore them call. I didn't have to tell you, Chevy. And me tell you, say. Jakes did not tell me about the $9,000. And me tell you, say. We're going to have a conversation with the third party. And trash it out. And clear your name, Chevy. Me nay have to tell you that. You said, okay. Me know it didn't record me because I could have hear myself in the background. I could have hear the echo, you know. But you know say me I record you too. It never matter me. You know me that record you too. That is why me know when me say to people. You see, if you did call me straight, one touch a button on my phone and me record everything. But because of WhatsApp call, me screen record you. Me draw down the screen and press recording. So me have everything what you say on this year. You could report the live till you not drop fucking dead.